very welcome to Hans Stråberg, President and CEO of Electrolux.
Thank you. Well, good morning. I would like to take the opportunity to thank you for inviting me as a speaker to this very important and interesting forum. And let me first say also that it's a true honor to Electrolux to be recognized for our work in CSR and sustainability, especially when you consider all other companies that are doing a lot of work in this area and a lot of progress. We have been and we are working continuously to with these issues, and we have worked for many years. And this year's environmental report, the sustainability report that we will issue, will actually be the 13th edition. And this award shows that Electrolux is making progress towards implementing our strategy of sustainability. And this is a great encouragement for our team, for our company, and the global award recognition is really something that we can be proud of. So thank you very much for that. I just read in the Swedish report that Swedish consumers incorrectly believe that it's better to wash dishes under tap water than to using a dishwasher. And this is now using running water to wash dishes. And suddenly I realized that we're not doing enough, and we haven't done enough to make people understand that it's actually the other way around. And in a broader scale, it is there are a lot of good things that can be achieved by using the latest technology. And today I will present my view on what our company and what our industry, the appliance industry, can do to bring down energy consumption and bring down environmental impact and help to make a contribution to tackle the environmental change. And this is based on my about 25 years experience with Electrolux, selling about 40 million products in more than 150 countries annually. Many people with me have recognized that climate change and the environmental challenges are in the news every day. This is not, it doesn't take an Einstein to figure that out. It is absolutely necessary, though, to reduce the CO2 emissions and to tackle this climate change. And every one of us can take action, even if it's small, to reach these, contribute to reach these ambitious goals that has been set up by the politicians on our behalf. And we have to take these very many small steps to solve these problems. And the cooperation between companies, with researchers, with institutions and politics is a way forward. And I believe that everyone can and have to cooperate and contribute. And many companies like Electrolux are actually working hard to improve this. And therefore we see that cars of today consume less fuel, less energy to drive the same distance. The most efficient lamp bulbs are using less energy today than they used to earlier. And in the appliance industry, as an example, washing machines consumes far less water than they used to just some years ago. And Electrolux strives to be a leader within sustainability. But showing leadership in this field is nothing new to us. We were actually the first to phase out Freon as a cooling agent in our refrigerators in the early 90s. Electrolux's main focus is to develop appliances with a low environmental impact. And to just share some results that I think are quite impressive with you. The best refrigerator that of today that we produce consumes about 70% less energy than an average unit did about 15 years ago. And our new vacuum cleaner, the Ultra Silencer Green, actually is manufactured with recycled materials. And it consumes about 30% less energy. It's the quietest product on the market. And it is then also made in an attractive kind of design. It doesn't have to be dull. And all our new appliances are actually developed and designed to be recyclable. And it's also more environmentally friendly to use a dishwasher than to wash dishes under the tap. A dishwasher of today uses about 13 liters, and that should be compared to about 100 liters per cycle that was consumed, that is consumed if you use tap water. So we have made impressive results and achievements, and I can assure you that Electrolux will continue to reduce energy, to continue to be a leader when it comes to this, and to reduce the environmental impact of our products and the usage of them. And our industry can actually contribute with new technology that brings down the environmental impact and water consumption. And let me present to you now one low-hanging fruit. Only in European households there are about 190 million products, washers, refrigerators, dishwashers and so on, that are older than 10 years. And these old and energy-thirsty appliances, they consume more energy and water than the best of our models today. In all of these 190 million products, if they would be replaced with the latest technology that is available today, not something for tomorrow, but today, then it would represent great savings, both for the environment and for the consumer operating these products. So 20 million tons of CO2 could actually be saved annually from replacing these products. And this is about 6% of the Kyoto Protocol goal that was set, or it's comparable to emissions from about 6 million cars annually. And the reason is simple. Modern products consume less energy and water compared to the old models. And the replacement of these products is eco-friendly. And remember, we as a company have the structure, the infrastructure to recycle these products, and we are, by the EU directive WEEE, we are required to bring back products and recycle them. And then, contrary to when you maybe buy, which is good, but when you buy a new eco-friendly car, the old car usually continues to stay out there. In this case, these appliances will be recycled.